So, hello guys. Ngayon, meron tayong pag-aaralan o sasagutan ng mga integrals. So, ngayon is ang technique nating ituturo sa inyo ay ang trigonometric substitution. So, meron lang tayong kailangang tatlong tandaan dito na mga pwede nating ipalit para sa ating trigonometric substitution. So, ito yung x is equal to a sine theta. Ayan. Then we have x is equal to a tangent theta. Then we have x is equal to a secant theta. So, gamit yung mga yan, sasagutan natin tong mga sumusunod na problems. So, punta na din tayo agad sa number 1. So, dito. So, find the integral of square root of 16 minus x squared all over x dx. So, let's solve. So, ang gagamitin natin dito is yung una, yung x is equal to a sine theta. Ayan. So, para lang din itong inverse trigo. So, alamin natin si a. Yung a natin dyan is yung sa 16. So, that is a squared is equal to 16. Our value of a will be 4. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. X is equal to 4 sine theta. Yan. So, kung kailangan natin ng dx, so derivative lang natin yan. So, our dx will be this 4 cosine theta. Yan. And then, gawa lang tayo ng triangle which will help us para masolve tong problem na to. Yan. So, let's say this is angle theta. Yan. So, sine theta. Sine theta is, ano yun? It's opposite all over hypotenuse. So, meron tayo, upon dividing this, so, dito, sa part na to, pwede nating masabi na si sine theta is equal to x all over 4 by dividing 4, di ba? So, equal pala to sa x all over 4. So, our opposite side will become x. This one, the opposite of theta is x. Yan. So, and the hypotenuse will be 4. And to solve for the adjacent side, Pythagorean theorem lang tayo. So, that will be square root of 16 minus x squared. Yan. So, kung tinatanong nyo kung paano nangyari yan. So, let's assume this is b. Yan. So, we have 16 4 squared is equal to x squared minus b squared. I mean plus b squared. So, solving for b tayo. So, we will have this transpose x squared. So, this 16 minus x squared is equal to b squared. So, the value of b will become square root of 16 minus x squared. So, ito lang din yung sa adjacent side niya. So, meron na tayo niyan. Then, ano pa yung mga kakailanganin natin dito? So, meron na tayong x. Yun, yung conversion nitong 16 minus x squared. So, gusto ko is ito, tsaka si 4. Yan. So, that is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So, that will be what angle? So, that is cosine theta. I mean, what? Trigo yan. So, that is cosine theta. So, this will become square root of 16 minus x squared all over 4. Or, the value of square root of 16 minus x squared is equal to 4 cosine theta. Yan. So, I will just mark all the necessary. This one, and this one. So, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute dito sa ating problem. So, we will have integral of yung square root of 16 minus x squared. Ito siya, di ba? So, papalitan natin siya dito. So, that will become 4 cosine theta. Yan. All over our x, papalitan din natin siya ng 4 sine theta. And then, yung dx natin, which is ito, no? Then, dx, value of dx will become 4 cosine theta. Yan. So, combine lang natin yung mga kailangan i-combine. So, I cancel this 4. Yan. And then, yung constant na 4 is ilalabas ko lang siya. Yan. So, we will have this cosine squared theta all over sine theta. So, yung dx natin is 4 cosine theta d theta. Then, dagdagan lang din natin ng d theta dito. And d theta. Ngayon, kailangan nating mag-decide if ano yung gagawin natin dito sa trigo natin. So, I think gagawin ko na lang siyang in terms of sine. So, let's try to solve that. So, alam ko na si cosine squared theta is equal siya sa 1 minus sine squared theta. So, gagamitin ko yung identities na yan. So, we will have this 1 minus sine squared theta all over sine theta d theta. So, yan. Pwede na natin yung paghiwalayin. So, we will have 4 multiply 2 integral of 1 all over sine theta d theta, then minus sine squared theta all over sine theta d theta. So, yan. So, pwede kong makancel yung isa dito. Yan. And then, we will have this. Yan. Dito sa baba. We have 4 multiply 2. 1 all over sine theta is equal to that is cosecant theta d theta. And this is minus integral of sine theta d theta. So, pwede na natin yung masagutan. Ang gagawin na lang natin is basic integration. So, the integral of cosecant is 4. Yan, kopyan lang natin yan. The integral of that is ln negative ln cosecant theta plus cotangent theta. Yan. So, dito naman sa kabila is minus that is negative cosine theta. Yan, plus c. So, we will have this equal to 4 negative ln of cosecant theta plus cotangent theta plus cosine theta. So, hindi pa tayo tapos dyan kasi babalik pa natin siya sa in terms of algebraic expression. So, kailanganin natin tong triangle. So, kunin ko lang ulit siya dito sa may baba. Yan. So, this time, yan. Para malaman mo si cosecant, di ba? Cosecant theta is equal siya. So, kabaliktaran siya ng sine. So, the inverse of that is hypotenuse all over opposite. And yung cotangent naman is kabaliktaran naman tangent. So, that is adjacent all over opposite. And then cosine theta. Yan. Cosine theta natin is adjacent over hypotenuse. So, kunin lang natin to, yung mga values niya dyan. So, cosine theta will become hypotenuse natin 4 all over our opposite is x. Our adjacent side is square root of 16 minus x squared all over the hypotenuse x. How about our cosine? It is adjacent, so square root of 16 minus x squared all over hypotenuse 4. So, yan. So, meron na tayo ng mga value ng ating algebraic expression. So, let's just substitute. So, we will have this 4 then minus ln. This will become 4 all over x plus square root of 16 minus x squared all over x plus square root of 16 minus x squared all over 4. Yeah, the bracket and then plus c. So this will be our answer. Ayan. So, ganyan yung ating gagawin kapag square root of a squared minus x squared, no? Kapag x is equal to a sine theta, ang pinapalitan natin dyan is yung square root of 16 minus, square root of a squared minus x squared. Ayan. So, sige, dito naman tayo sa next number.